All righty. Let's do this. Let's do this. It was good, YouTube. Okay, so numbers came out. I'm about to go over my levels real quick and show you exactly what I got going on. Okay. All right. So we are gapped up. And then these are my targets along the way. I have a ATR, a daily ATR. We can possibly go up here to 778, 82 cents. We're already gapped up well above the 4-hour entry, and we're not far from triggering the daily call entry. What I'm looking at right here, we have like a little bit of a broadening formation right here that we're developing. That's this high, that high. So I'm expecting to see this continue up. Maybe they come and fill some of the gap, close some of the gap to the downside, and then go back to the upside. This is on a 1 hour. This is a 1 hour broadening formation. They could possibly go back up here to these highs. So the 4 hour was a 2 down. So it's triggered above that 771. Now the next target is this high right here at 774. The next high is 775 and 11 cents. This next target at 776 and 72 cents. That's the target right here, the big target. They can go outside these ranges. These are just different levels that you can take as far as to the upside. All right. So, all right. Let's see. We have the daily. We had a 2 down on the daily. Like I said, the call entry is right here. We're not too far from it. Let's mark the pre-market high and pre-market low. Let's go down to the 10-minute time frame. Go to extended hours. Is right on this right here, pre-market low. Pre-market high. Okay. So maybe when the market opens, they pull back here, support. Big orders might be waiting right there to try to fill some of this gap to the downside and then push back higher. So that's why you want to mark that. It's very, very important to have that marked. Okay. Okay. So these are my levels for SPY. Let's go over QQQ. All right, this is the line that I've been watching, and it looked like that bad boy can go today. It looked like it can go. Yeah, this looks really good for a breakout. We have a 2 down. It's up in the pre-market, gapping above this. Let's do the numbers. Okay, let's see what the levels are. Let's see how high we can go. Let's see how high we can go. 718, 45 cents plus $13.73. All right, we can get as high as 732. So that'll help us break out this downtrend line to try to go back to the upside. Let's see. Downside target 718.45, 718.45 cents. Subtract $13.73. Okay, we can fall as low as 704 if the market decides to tank. You got to know our downside levels just in case, right? All right, so we got a 2 down. So that's a call entry on the daily for me. Actionable signal back to the upside. You have the next candle high right here as a potential target. Let's clone that. The next candle high right here. Let's clone that. And then the next candle high. And the next one is pretty much right at their ATR, so I'm gonna leave that alone. Oh, we had a filter down on the 4 hour, which is bullish. They've already got well above that. So all the targets are pretty much going to be hit at open for the most part, unless they just tank it in the next 30 minutes. I highly doubt it though. Data came out too good. I had a 2 up on an hour. That's a put entry. So we got one put entry to the downside just in case the market decides to tank. Never know. So you gotta try them out just in case this is a target too. And you don't have to do all these lines. You could just have a general area, but I just want the market just to be technical for the internet. This is a target down here, but that's enough. Plenty lines. Okay. And this thing was ranging bad. Wedge in, nice little wedge. Look at that. Boom. Now they're breaking above this. Probably about to go higher. So let's delete that. All right, so I got this downtrend line drawn out in yellow. So I can know this is a resistance line. It can knock it down or it can break out. So we got an eye on that. So that's levels for Qs. Oh, we got to do the pre-market high, pre-market low. Let's go make sure we do that before we forget. Okay, here we go. All righty. Okay. Let's see what we got on AMD. Okay, we had a 2 down on AMD. Trying to take out these targets to the upside. Send this. Let's get a daily gap fill to the upside. It's the area they might try to push to today. Same thing on Micron. Okay. Check on Palantir. Inside candle. Okay. They'll probably come back and try to fill some of this gap. Qualcomm. CoreWeave got me. I try to do a lot on those puts. They popped up. Yeah, I should have knew. I should have definitely played both sides, because you got this, and look like they about to had to come up here and hit this right here, and then I still got some time. Let me see. I got time on my puts. I don't know if they'll hit that target and come back down. I got to the 14th, so we'll see. It's not over yet, but I'll be down pretty bad on them. All right, 2 down on NVIDIA. I still got a higher target for NVIDIA. I expect NVIDIA to move at some point. Meta, 2 up. This definitely can try to do a little reversal back down to the downside or continue up. Stuck in a weird spot. 2 down, Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft gonna pull down at some point. It's just too extended. Look at this, just straight up move. And probably a cool off at some point. Just don't know when. We got gaps filled to the upside on Tesla. Some good moves in the market brewing, for sure. SpaceX, what you got going? Okay. Well, okay. I want to see if this is going to break above this 3 candle back to the upside. We'll see what this next hour do in the market. I'll probably wait until the first 30 minutes to an hour to even take a play. Just really depends. I want to see a break of this 3 candle to the upside, and they probably give me in calls to go higher. But we'll see. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Yeah. All right. I had to work out. I had to take care of some stuff. I got on late today, so I had to take care of my body, man. I had to take care of me. I always try to get to this whenever I can, but I'm about to get ready for my group and lock in. Good luck trading out there. Be careful. Be patient. And yeah, see y'all on the next. Peace.